Lionsgate is this week, and we are off to a banging start with 2 X-class flares coming through. So Lionsgate 888 is considered to be by most the most powerful portal of the year. It's a portal of manifestation and abundance, 8 being the number of abundance and flow and infinity and manifestation. And of course, this year being an 8 year, it is amplified by the power of 3 instead of just 2. So we've got this holy Trinity energy. Now, we have all this beautiful energy coming through. It is also a powerful portal of spiritual activation as the solar energies are amplified at this time. It's a portal that opens at the beginning of the summer, technically, and there's actually another date that many are now recognizing is more in alignment galactically with the true Lionsgate. And that's actually coming up at the end of August. So today Mercury's gone retrograde, and it's 3 weeks of this opportunity to review, to reflect, to integrate, because we have all this high power energy coming through. And it is happening during retrograde. There's a lot of clearing happening, and it's asking us, even though manifestation and Lionsgate brings this like powerful, heart-opening kind of lioness, lion, king, queen, roar energy, it is also calling us to just take our time to really allow these energies to settle, to integrate, so that we can truly embody that royal energy. And we have emerald energies coming through. This is what I've been feeling: emerald heart activation, emerald ray of healing, diamond codes, white diamond frequencies in particular I've been really connecting with, and this white lion energy. Now, coming up at the end of August, we have this alignment with Regulus, which is the heart of the lion. And this is why I feel that August 22nd may actually be more in alignment with true Lionsgate energies. 888 is still a highly, highly powerful day, also because we give it power by so many collectively focusing on it. And we do have all sorts of other alignments, and we're the creators of our reality, right? So we give power to what we focus on, right? Where our attention goes, our energy flows. And if we're focusing our attention on positivity and all of that, then it's gonna bring us in the direction that we want, as long as we're doing the work to integrate and to clear the energies that are not in alignment with that, aka the shadow work. You can't bypass that. So what's coming through is that 888 is going to be a really beautiful day to clear what is in the way of actually manifesting abundance. And this is again, it's that heart healing energy. What is in the way of your heart opening up to receive the activation, to receive love, to receive abundance of all things, and wealth and prosperity. So we have these white diamond codes of wealth coming in, but if you're not open to receive, then we won't be able to actualize our divine inheritance, to claim our divine inheritance. So, and actualize our soul mission. That's how it wanted to come through. So I've actually I was really feeling into the energies that have been coming through, and I am hosting a ceremony on 888, but what's coming through is a triple ceremony, one being in September, and there's more to that which I will be sharing soon. As of now, the Lionsgate ceremony on 8/8, it will be recorded, 888, and I will be hosting that as I have been planning to, and so we're going to be moving forward with all of that, but it's expanding into this series, this triple series, a Trinity series, if you will. I was starting to see, I was getting this 22 energy and grace energy, and all the dots are connecting. So it's really beautiful. It's 444 on the timer right now. So there's a lot here. There's a lot of energies to be working with, and it's very high frequency. So if you'd like to be in a container to receive, I also want to just remind everyone to amp up your energetic protection on this portal date, in particular 888. A lot of dark energies try to hijack these portals, particularly 888, because they know so many are opening up without having protection in place because they don't know what they're doing. This is why a lot of people experience the negative experiences that they do when they start on this path of spiritual awakening and they don't know how to protect themselves energetically, and they don't have the discernment. A couple years ago, I turned on, I just kind of last minute found this meditation on YouTube on Lionsgate. This was after I had done my own thing. I was like, oh, why don't I sit back and receive while I'm in the bath? And right as I was turning it on, my selenite ball fell and shattered. And then I was listening to it, and I thought that was a weird coincidence, but then I was listening to the thing, and all of a sudden I felt this compression energy, and I immediately hit pause, and her eyes were completely black. Okay, this isn't to inject fear, but I looked back at her other videos. They weren't like that in the other videos. It's just to bring awareness to the fact that this shit is real, okay? We've got to have our protection in place, use discernment. I always call in the highest protection of Mother, Father, God, and angels assigned to me by God, all of that. So know that if you join any of my containers, I always bring in the highest level of protection possible. And there's going to be so much magic. Emerald City magic is coming through. So if you'd like to join, comment Emerald, comment or DM Emerald, and I will send you the link and the information. And again, there's a replay. So I'm sending you so much love, however you choose to work with the energies. It is a highly activating, highly potent time. And remember, stay grounded, stay anchored, get in nature as much as you can, Emerald, and really just allow your heart to open, to receive, but have the capacity to really stay grounded and integrate these energies. Sending you much love, onward and upward.